Are you a content creator, videographer, or you're just curious about Google's latest AI breakthrough in video production? Well, you're in the right place, because in this video we're gonna dive into Google Veo 3, a powerful new tool that can save you hours of time in production. Let's get started. So, what exactly is Google Veo 3? It's Google's latest AI models that can generate high-definition video from simple text or image prompt, now with native audio support. Yes, it can generate both visuals and sound.
Film is in your ticket.
They're watching the north exit. Use the service tunnel.
A wild, untamed might. And she commands your awe.
Pretty cool, right? You can start using Google Veo 3 via the Google AI Studio Ultra plan, which costs at $250 a month. If you're just exploring, there's also a 1-month trial available. And here's the bonus. Students can get 15 months access for free, as long as they use a valid university-issued email address.
Now I'll show you how to use it. Go to Gemini, and then you're gonna want to go to the video tab here. If you notice here, like the video tab, it's saying generate with Veo 2, but what we want to do is we want to generate with Veo 3. What this means is you're probably located in a country where Veo 3 is not accessible yet. So as we can see in the article here, Google Veo 3 is only available in 73 countries, and if you're one of those unfortunate people outside of those 73 countries, no worries, there's a simple solution to this. So all you gotta do is download a VPN for your browser's extension, and then just like turn on the VPN, change the location to a country where Veo 3 is accessible. You turn it on here, and then you refresh the website. And then if you go to the video tab here, it's supposed to be showing this. So I've tried to like describe what I wanted to Gemini, and then it accidentally generated an image which is not what I want. That's why I told it to turn it into a text prompt. And then what I did is I copy pasted the entire text prompt here. Just press the video tab here, Veo 3, and new chat. Yep, so this is what I did. I just copy pasted it, and the video is ready.
Flame on.
And then I've also tried generating a more serious casual tone for a corporate video, as you can see here, and then another one here. As you can see, I requested to generate men, but she don't look like a man for me. It's definitely a work in progress for this technology. I'll show you all the video I've generated.
Hi, welcome to the ANDDEV channel. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.
Hi, welcome to the @DEV channel. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.
It's a really cool technology, and my personal opinion about it is a very game-changing technology for both content creators and marketers. It's a massive time saver in this industry. This feature is perfect for small-scale client who wants a rich visuals and fast submission. But for enterprise-level production, the output isn't just consistent enough. That said, give it a year or two and we might just as well see the first AI-generated movie hit the screen. Alright, that's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you in any way. Give it a thumbs up and feel free to drop your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video and stay creative.